Is your kitchen still living in the past? Welcome back to the channel. It's 2026, and air fryer technology has officially leveled up. We're no longer just talking about basic baskets. We're talking about integrated steam infusion, dual zone synchronization, and AI-driven presets that take the guesswork out of every meal. Whether you're a meal prep pro looking for a massive 10-quart dual zone, or you're living that apartment life and need a powerful compact model that won't hog your counter space, we've done the heavy lifting for you. We've spent the last few months testing the latest releases for speed, crispiness, and most importantly, how easy they are to clean. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best air fryers of 2026 to help you decide which one deserves a permanent spot on your countertop. If you see something you like, I've placed the direct product links in the description below so you can check the latest prices and grab yours today. Let's jump right into number 5. Number 5. Gourmia GTF 7765. If you're looking for a kitchen workhorse that actually earns its counter space, this French door air fryer is a total game changer. The spacious 25-quart design is the real star here. Those dual doors make it so easy to slide in a full 12-inch pizza or a whole roast chicken without fumbling. It's powered by Fryforce convection technology, using 1700 watts to get that perfect golden crunch with next to no oil. Beyond just air frying, you've got 17 different presets to bake, broil, or even dehydrate, all controlled by a sleek digital interface that lets you dial in temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It even comes with all the stainless steel accessories you need, like a fry basket and crumb tray, making the cleanup just as quick as the cooking. Whether you're making a quick batch of toast or a family-sized dinner, this oven delivers premium results every time. Number 4. Instant Pot Vortex Plus. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen game without cluttering your counters, this 6-quart air fryer is a total game changer. It's a 1700-watt powerhouse that replaces 6 different appliances, letting you air fry, roast, broil, dehydrate, or reheat, or almost zero preheating time. I love the Even Crisp technology. It gives you that perfect golden crunch with 95% less oil, and the adjustable temperature range, 95 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, means you can go from delicate dehydration to high heat roasting with just a turn of the dial. The stainless steel finish looks incredibly sleek on the counter, and the 6-quart capacity is the sweet spot for family dinners or meal prepping for the week. Plus, between the intuitive touchscreen that tracks your cooking stages and the non-stick dishwasher-safe basket, it makes both the cooking and the cleanup completely effortless. It's fast, versatile, and honestly, it makes fried food feel a lot less like a guilty pleasure. 3. Emerald Lagasse Extra Large 26QT. Ready to simplify your kitchen routine? This Emerald Lagasse air fryer oven is a total game changer for anyone dealing with the nightly dinner rush. With its extra large capacity, you can finally stop cooking in batches and get the entire family's meal on the table all at once. It's a true 5-in-1 powerhouse that effortlessly handles everything from air frying and roasting to dehydrating, effectively replacing your traditional oven while freeing up precious countertop space. Best of all, it eliminates the long wait for preheating, getting your food crisp and delicious much faster than a standard range. Between the easy-to-clean accessories and the included 34-page cookbook, it's designed to take the stress out of meal prep so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your food. Number 2. Cosori CAF DC601. If you're looking to take your kitchen game to the next level, the Cosori Turbo Blaze is a serious contender for your countertop. What sets this model apart is the Turbo Blaze technology, featuring a powerful 3600 RPM fan and 5 adjustable speeds that ensure your food is perfectly crispy on the outside while staying juicy within. It boasts a wide 6-quart capacity that's ideal for family-sized meals, yet it maintains a surprisingly compact footprint. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the PFAS-free ceramic coating and the fact that you can achieve that classic fried texture with up to 95% oil. Plus, it's remarkably quiet at under 53 dB, so you won't have to shout over your dinner prep. Between the dishwasher-safe parts and the included chef-curated recipe book, it's designed to make high-end cooking feel effortless and fast. 1. Ninja Air Fryer Pro. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen game, the Ninja 5QT air fryer is a total powerhouse that proves you don't need a massive footprint to get massive results. Its air crisp technology hits 400 degrees Fahrenheit to deliver that perfect crunch with up to 75% less fat than deep frying, so you can actually enjoy those wings and fries guilt-free. I love the 4-in-1 versatility. Whether you're air frying, roasting, reheating leftovers to their original glory, or even dehydrating snacks, the 750-watt motor handles it all effortlessly. Despite its sleek, space-saving design, the capacity is impressive. It fits 5 pounds of wings easily, making it perfect for families. Plus, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick basket and crisper plate, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Whether you're looking to meal prep for the week, master the art of the 15-minute dinner, or just find the perfect tool for that crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside finish, the air fryers we've covered today are truly the best of the best for 2026. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? If you found the perfect match for your countertop, you can find the official product links for all 5 models in the description below. We've included the latest pricing and any current deals to help you get the best value for your money. Don't miss out. Like and subscribe. If this breakdown helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and home appliance reviews. Join the conversation. Which of these are you leaning toward? Or is there a hidden gem we missed? Let us know in the comments. Check the description. All the specs, links, and details are waiting for you down there. Thanks for watching, and here's to making every meal a little easier and a lot crispier. We'll see you in the next one.